Hi there, Duncan from 65. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly take a Microsoft document, probably you've been sent as an attachment, like an Excel file, and convert it into Google Sheets so that you don't have to download it, open it in the Microsoft equivalent software, but actually you can do everything in a web browser without having to change anything else. So here I've got my spreadsheet. It's very boring. It's called Untitled Spreadsheet. And if I double click on it, what happens is I'll get a preview inside of Google Sheets and it'll give me everything. You see this button up here, or this slug, tag, label, the green thing that says .xlsx in it is indicating to me that it's still in a Microsoft Excel format. Now, there's nothing wrong with that. I can edit this and then share it with somebody and it will stay in an XLS format. But I can also open it as a native Google Sheets. And obviously doing that allows me to get access to a few other tools. For example, extensions like Google Script or Apps Script, if I want to interface this Excel sheet with something else. Now, in order to do that, you can just simply click on Save as Google Sheets. And as you'll see here, it's popped open a new tab and it's given me now the sheet, but it's now got those kind of extra things that I can do with it. Now, in my demo folder where that came from, I'm now going to see that my Untitled Spreadsheet is going to appear in here as well. In a sec, it's not appeared just yet. Let me just check and make sure it is in the same place. It is indeed. So it's actually that this little tab hasn't updated yet. There we go. So that is one thing to be aware of. You will end up with two files. One will be the native XLS and then the other one will be your Google Sheet. In my opinion, in 99% of the cases, you can now delete the native Google spreadsheet. And the reason for that is if you want, or if somebody that you're working on this sheet with wants to deal with that in Excel, they can simply go File, Download as Microsoft Excel. And they will get that very native Excel back again. But of course, the benefits of having it inside of a Google Sheet are many, one of which, of course, is you can collaborate on it at the same time. All of your versions and history will get tracked within this sheet, and therefore it simplifies matters and you don't have to name versions and send things backwards and forwards. So highly recommended to try and keep things inside of native Sheets format and then use the benefits of sharing and collaboration with the people that you're working with. Thanks very much for watching. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next one.